So first of all, even and odd function. Let's suppose one function is given, like f of x is equal to let's suppose x power 4 minus 3x square, and then we have plus 7. So as this function is even or odd, so how you can prove function is even or odd? Simple method is select two numbers, like plus 2, this is x1, and second one is minus 2. Same number with, okay, different symbol, like one is plus, one is minus. You can select 3, 4, 5, but one plus and one minus. Plus 3 minus 3, plus 4 minus 4, 1 minus 1 plus 1, so you can. Okay, now if the result is same from both, from x1 from x2, it means that that function is even function. Like f of x1, let's suppose first we have x1. What is x1? Actually x1 is 2. So f of x1, yeah, f of 2 is equal to what? So 2 power 4 minus 3 into x power 2. It means that, sorry, 3 multiply with 3 multiply with 2 square and plus 7. So 2 power 4, 16, minus 2 square 4, 3 equal to what? 12. First square of 2, then multiply with 3, and plus we have what? 17. Sorry, 7. So 16 and 7, these are positive. So 16 plus 7 equal to what? 23, and minus 12. So equal to, I think, 11. Result is plus 11. Correct? Plus 11. Yes. Same. Select what? x2 now. So we have f of x2. It means that f of x2 is equal to what? F of minus 2. So f of minus 2. So now we have minus 2 power 4 minus, then we have 3 and minus 2 square, and plus we have 7. So minus 2 power 4 again equal to plus 16. Okay, minus 2 square 4 multiply with 3 equal to 12, and then we have plus 7. Again, if you simplify, this will be 23 minus 12 equal to 11. So with negative value and positive value, result is same, like this one. F of plus 2 equal to what? F of minus 2. This function is called what? Even function. When question is given, just give two values, A, B. For example, A is plus 2, B is minus 2. Plus 5, minus 5. This example was for even. Now what about odd number? Great. Okay, one example from odd number. Okay. Uh, Select one number. Yeah, check function. F of x is equal to x power 5 minus 3x power 3 plus 7. Is this one is even or odd? same, select x1 is equal to what, like plus 2, and x2 is equal to what, minus 2. This will give you same number what, but with negative sign. Like first one, directly I will put x is equal to 2. So first one, x power 2. Sorry, x power 5. It means that 2 power 5 minus 3 into 2 power 3 plus 7. It means what? 2 power 5 is 32 minus, okay, 2 power 3 is 8. 8 multiplied with 3 equal to 24, and last one we have 7. So first 32 plus 7 equal to what? 39 and minus 24. So 39 minus 24 equal to what? I think 15. So result is plus 15. Now find out f of minus 2. So f of minus 2, we have minus 2 power 5 minus 3, then we have minus 2 power 3 plus 7. So again this one equal to what? Minus 32, not plus 4. Then minus, okay, minus 2 power 3 equal to what? Minus 8. Minus 8 multiplied with this one equal to what? Plus 24, I think. And last one is 7. Am I right? Yes. So I think we are okay. So 32 plus 32 minus 9 equal to what? 32 minus 9 is equal to 15. Sorry, 25. Okay, yeah, 24. So 24. You can see from first one, if of equal to what? Plus 2, it was 15. But from minus 2, if of minus 2, result is what? Result is 27. So these are totally opposite. So what this means? These are neither even function nor odd function. Correct? Okay, great. I was thinking this is odd function, so but it's okay. But if you are solving question, from one you receive plus 15, and from second you receive minus 15. So that function then is called odd function. Clear? Okay. So one question from increasing decreasing function. Okay, John says increasing decreasing function. Okay, so increase decrease function. Let's suppose function f of x is equal to 2x square plus 7x. Yeah, just okay, plus 7. One function. Second function is given like f of x is equal to 10 minus 10x. So how to prove which function is increasing function, which function is decreasing function? So for proof of increase decrease, there is one rule. The rule is like select two number like x1 Let's suppose x1 is equal to 2 and x2, let's suppose x is equal to 3. In such condition that x2 is greater than x1. This is the condition. Select two numbers x1, x2 such that x2 must be greater than x1. Then putting values, if you put f of x1 and same f of x2 value, if condition is if f of x2 is greater than f of x1, this function is called increasing function. If okay, this one is opposite, like if f of x1 is greater than, then a decreasing function. So f of x1, let's suppose you have 2x square. So if you give x is equal to 2, so you can see here 2 square plus 2 4, 4 plus 7 equal to what? 11. Yes, if you give x is equal to 3, so first 3, 3 square is 9, 9 multiplied 2 equal to what? 18. 18 plus 7. So 18 plus 7, I think 25. So which function is greater than? You can see f of x2 is greater than f of x1. This condition is for increasing function. Decreasing function, same. Select two numbers x1, like x1 is 1 and x2. You can select any number, like x2 is 3. In such condition that x2 is greater than x2 is greater than x1, then f of x1 give value to function and f of x2. But when the result f of x1 is greater than f of x2, this condition is for decreasing function. You can see here f of x2 is greater than f of x1, but here f of x1 is greater than f of x2. If you give x1 value, you can see x1 is 1. So it means x is 1. 10 multiplied with 1. So 10 minus 10 equal to what? 0. When you give x is equal to 3, like you have 10 here minus 10 multiplied with x, where x is 3. So 10 threes are equal to 30. So 10 minus 3 equal to what? 10 minus 3 equal to 20 minus 20. So which one is greater than? Which one is greater? It means x1 is greater than 0 is greater than minus 20. So this condition is for decreasing function. Clear, Jamshid? Now ask me another question. Yes, yes. Any other question? Firdaus, which period? Okay, worksheet 1. Okay, okay. Let me check worksheet 1. Uh, this one, Firdaus. Okay, which question? Last question? Oh, great, great, Firdaus. Okay, simple one, very simple one. Let's try how to find the inverse of this function. Okay, okay. Stop sharing this one. Wired code. Function is given. Function is equal to f of x equal to x minus 4 divided by x minus 2. Find the inverse of this function. So there are four steps finding inverse. What is step number first? Step number first, replace f of x with y. Great. So replace f of x with y. It means that y is equal to x minus 4 divided by x minus 2. Now what is second step? Second step is interchanging the value of y in x. So replace y by x and x value by y minus 4 divided by x minus 2. Sorry, this is y not x. So y minus 2. Okay, yes, cross multiplication. If you multiply x with this one, so we have x multiply with y minus 2 equal to y minus 4. If you multiply y with x, xy, reply, okay, multiply minus 2 with x, minus 2x equal to y minus 4. So if you transfer y to this side, so we have xy and minus y. And if you transfer minus 2x to other side, this will be plus 2x minus 4. So what is common here? You can see y is common. Taking y common, we have x minus 1 equal to 2x minus 4. So divide both side by x minus 1, x minus 1. These two cancel. We have y is equal to what? Y is equal to 2x minus 4 divided by x minus 1. Great, great, great. So this is actually inverse function. You can say f of minus 1. This is the answer of inverse function. Clear, Mr. Yes, you can take two common. Yes, possible. Yes, possible. Firdaus, tell me another one. Okay, let's see. Oh, 18 in 19. First, I will spend 18, 19, then domain of a function. Inverse function. Uh, okay, function inverse PDF. Okay, let me check. This one, Firdaus. So, Firdaus, actually, these are just drawing graph. Minus 1 over 5x. Start, yeah, give 2, 3 negative value, 2, 3 positive value. First give minus 3 value, x is equal to minus 3. Then you can find time, point. Then give x is equal to minus 2, then minus 1, then 0. Then 1, 2, 3 plus some values. Like what? Okay, listen. Minus 1 minus 1 over 5x. No, no, no. Okay, find the yes, 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 yes. Yes, you need to solve for inverse function, and then you need to graph the function. Great, great, excellent, excellent. So same. Okay, okay, okay. F of x is equal to minus 1 minus 1 over 5x. So f of x is equal to minus 1 over 5x. First replace f of x with y is equal to minus 1 minus 1 over 5 x. Both are minus minus. Then x and y interchanging values like minus 1 minus 1 over 5 into y. Okay, transfer minus 1 to other side, x plus 1 minus 1 over 5 with y. So if you multiply both side with minus 1 over 5, yes, dividing both side by minus 1 over 5. Or simply, if you multiply 5 to other side, so we have minus 1y, it means minus y. equal to 5x, and we have plus 5, because this 5 multiply with x and also with 1. Then we have minus 1. So if you divide both sides by minus 1, minus 1. So these two cancel. Y is equal to what? Y is equal to, okay, this minus multiply with both, minus 5x and minus 5. Correct? So these are inverse function. How to draw graph? So for drawing graph, first for x and y, for this function, minus 1 minus 1 over 5x, giving values like start value from 0. So when this function, this x is 0, 0 multiply with this one equal to what? 0. So result is only minus 1. Same if you give 1. So x 1, so 1 multiply with 1 over 5 is 1 over 5. Minus 1 over 5 equal to minus 6 over 5. You can simplify, minus 6 over 5. Minus 6 over 5 is equal to minus 1 point something. Minus 1 point, maybe, yes, minus 1.2. Same if you give 2, x is equal to 2. So 2 multiply with 1 over 5. So minus 1, 2 over 5. This means that minus 7 over 5. Minus 7 over 5, I think minus 1 over 2. So you have these values. Then give some minus values like minus 1, minus 2. If you give minus value, so this multiply with this will be plus 1, plus 1 over 5. 1 over 5 minus 1. So minus 5 plus 1 over 5 equal to minus 4 over 5. I think 0 point something, 0.9 something, the value. So you need to draw graph. Graph, for example, when x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So these are negative values here. So you will draw graph like this one. Same, you can draw graph for this one. X giving value to x and y. Yes, any number you can give. Okay, let me check again. Yes, yes, John. Says shifting graph is must. We will discuss shifting graph. So should we start shifting graph first? Yes, you can give any number. But drawing graph, you need what? You need to give 2, 3 negative values, 2, 3 positive values. Oh, Firdaus. Composition of function. If we have a problem there in slide, sorry, in, yes, in these PDF files, so I will solve. Now, how I can solve from composition of function? I don't know. Firdaus, tell me. Okay, question 21. What problem? Okay, the same file or another file. Which file? Which is one is word file? Okay, let me check which file. What is the name of function? What is the name of that file? Please, Firdaus, tell me. Okay. Question number 21. Firdaus, this one. Question number 21. Great, great, great. So simple. Where is h of x is given. H of x is given 70 plus 0.2x, and g of x is given g of x 300 in a zero point 0.8 power. I think power is t. Yes, power is t. So we need to find h g of 4. G of 4. Okay. Stop sharing this one. Yes, yes. Yes, only 3 minutes left. So let me. I can solve one question. These are simple. H of x is equal to what? Is equal to 70 plus 0.2x, where g of x is equal to what? G of x is equal to 300, 0.8 power t. We need to find what? We need to find h of g of 4. For those you can solve, then first you need to find what? You need to find g of 4 by putting x value as 4. So you have 300 and 0.8 power 4. First find 0.8 power 4, then multiply with 300. So I will directly solve uh, 0.8. Point 0.8 power is 4. Power 4 multiply with 300 equal to 122.8. So g of x is equal to 122.8. Yes, 1.